this morning for milking, I am going to have the calf help me. That way I don't have to give her milk, and Miss Honey has a stronger letdown. So here to let the calf out, and she will go right on over to Mama and help me start milking. Right, baby. I gotta be fast. She knows that's her side. So I got about a gallon of milk, and the baby helps me nurse on all the quarters, and then I let the baby finish up on the last one just to make sure she gets enough milk out of there. And then I will lock the baby back up because she will continue to nurse all day on Mama, and we don't want Mama to lose too much weight because she already is a little bit skinny, so we want to keep her nice and healthy, and but still let her calf be healthy. So here's the big baby eating. Look, here is the not so fun part of having a milk cow. Honey kicked over my bucket and spilled all the milk on the ground, even though there was a lid on it, but she picked up the bag and got the milk out. So that's wasted a whole gallon for the day. That's the raw and real part of having a milk cow. Sometimes they dump over the milk, which is extremely frustrating after you just got done milking them. Came out here, wasted all that time. A whole gallon on the ground. Nice. Well, I guess we saved a little bit, which there's maybe about a quart in there, so. But the puppy's enjoying it off of the ground, so at least I can be happy about that. But yeah, that is definitely frustrating. Hi, Miss Peaches. Are you ready to go back in your house? She's been out here for a few hours with Mama. Over there, enjoying her time. Hi, baby. She's finally starting to get a little bit more used to me now. Right. You're starting to get a little more used to me now. Yeah. Which is good, because eventually she will be a milk cow. So I want her to be used to me. Right, pretty girl. You are pretty. You like the phone, huh? You like the phone. Let's see if I can film her going in there. Let's try to corral her in there. Come on. Come on. Time to go back home. Might not be able to film her, but we'll see. Sometimes she goes in easily, sometimes not. Go back home. Go back to your pen. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. I'll get you some water. Good girl. I'll get you some water. Yep, I'm just putting her in here, honey. Aw, Mama's checking on her baby. You guys need some fly spray. You guys need some fly spray. And literally, cows are so tame. We just bungee cord her in here and she stays. Right, baby. And Coda's over there checking everything out. Right, Miss Honey. She'll be okay. You'll get to see her tonight. Yes, you'll get to see her tonight. Yes. Cows are just like big giant farm dogs. Right. Hi, pretty girl. Coda, what are you doing? Come here, Coda. Come here. Hey, Coda, sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, checking on each other through the fence. I know you love your baby, but she takes all your milk. I'm walking over here towards our pond to see where Jacob moved the pigs. He moved them to a new paddock, and I can show you guys our buck, MJ. We are getting him a female today, which I'm sure he will enjoy. We had a female goat that did not work out, so that's for a different story, but he's on top of his house. Hey, buddy. MJ. He's in rut right now, where he is yellow. Usually that's white, and he's got cockapurs all in his beard. Hey, handsome guy. You ready for a lady? So I am very, very excited to have goat babies. Yeah, that yellow is P. He is not usually yellow like that. You're stinky. You're stinky. And it looks like Jacob moved the pigs down here for them to root and clear up this forest area back here. Hey guys. Oh yeah. How do you like your new area? Are you guys hungry? The wire must not be hot yet because he just touched it with his nose and it didn't shock him, but they have so much to root over here. Whoop! Oh, it must be hot. I lied. Looks like MJ needs some water too. I'll show you guys the duckies. We fenced in this area because when we first moved here, they were not interested in going in the pond. So we had to fence them in here to force them to go in the pond, which is gross right now, but down there is clear. There's a big egg. They need food too. It's covered in sludge. Right, Coda. Coda's getting his duck and his livestock guardian training. Aww. Ducks are my favorite. So cute. I can't wait. Hope is that they have babies, because who doesn't love a baby duck? They are so freaking cute. MJ's first time meeting his new lady. What do you think, MJ? So I'm gonna go in and check on the kiddos and yeah, just enjoy this beautiful Saturday. It is so nice out. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we will see you for our next vlog.